Guys, I'm starting to feel sorry for Nkosiyabo ngakho konke lokhu kwenzeka kuye after the accident. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 11th to the 15th of December 2023 on Monday. The girls decide sisters before misters, and this time they mean it. Something suddenly kicks or clicks from Paul during interrogation. Nkosiyabo has a bad reaction when his daughter pitches a story on Tuesday. Cosmo may have a solution for Kenzani's woes. Another person put the pieces together and is sickened by what she finds. Kumo, the charmer, keeps the surprises coming on Wednesday. Ayanda rushes to Figile before anyone can stop her. Tracy and Mbali find an unwelcome surprise at home. Is Nozipo falling hard for the devious Morocco on Thursday? The pressure is mounting, but Spey has a plan. Cosmo is sent out of town to do some proper digging. Lucy lies to her friend to save face on Friday. Nkosiyabo resents taking orders from a man he doesn't know. Temba is angry when he realizes why he's at the hospital. Kumo pretends to be upset to hear his cousin is a terrorist. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.